In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix mic echo here within Battlefield 6. Before we dive into this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you want to go ahead and fix that mic echo here within Battlefield 6, begin by clicking the settings wheel up in the very top of your screen to open up your settings, and in this left sidebar, go ahead and select audio. From here, you're going to want to scroll down on this page until you find the voice chat option here. Change the microphone mode to open mic right here, and then there's going to be this microphone threshold setting. If it's set to 0, pretty much background noises can easily trigger your mic, creating an echo. You're going to want to go ahead and increase this threshold right here until only your voice is picked up. So this is going to be different depending on which mic you're using in the location that you're playing in. So keep that in mind. It's going to be different for every single person. I think a safe bet is around 50, but you might have to adjust it more. You might have to adjust it less. Now, some extra tips: obviously keep your microphone closer to your mouth to avoid capturing surrounding sounds. Make sure you're lowering the voice chat volume if it's too high as well, just because this can also cause feedback. But with these adjustments, your voice should now be clearer and free from echo. If this video tutorial did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.